screen? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Today's class will be discussing about MS Word and writing. We'll also have a small hand-on Overleaf and EndNote. So when we talk about manuscript, first thing which we look into or we start is the title and authorship. I always tell my students also that when you want to write a paper, instead of trying to draft your thoughts, always think what should be your title and who all will be the authors. So when you write the title and author, it will give you a clarity on, okay, first thing is that when we give the authorship, it makes us own the paper, and also the title gives us an idea that what we'll be doing. Okay, so if we see the first part title and authorship, we'll usually write the title in short, crisp, and this is saying that not more than 7 to 8 words also. If you see, this is one of the example of the title that a person wants to do analysis of microplastics in aquatic ecosystem. So the title clearly says that beyond abundance, a mechanistic property to behavior approach to microplastic pollution in aquatic ecosystem. So who all are the author? The person who is writing and doing all the work will become the first author, and the any other people who are contributing. If you see, the name will be written on that. The superscript will have the authorship order. So the first indicates that who is that author, and here also if you see that their affiliation will be given that, okay, first author is this lady and who does she belong, what does she is, will be given at the bottom. And same way second author will, or any, how many ever authors you have, they will have and their affiliations will be written. So this is the first step when we start writing a paper. Okay, if we see the same thing, um, we will be discussing about a small conference type of paper, a conference format paper of IEEE, which usually comes as 2 columns and will have an abstract, methodology, and then results and discussion, introduction, methodology, results and discussion. Here, I hope all of you know how to make the 2 column ones. If you don't know, normally if you go to layout in columns, if you make in the columns, if you want it 2 column, you will just click on the 2 column, it will become 2 column. Okay, so IEEE format papers will be mostly like this. Okay, and also there will be a keywords written, introduction about the topic, and then methodology. Wherever the numbering comes, it's very important to see which heading and what it is talking about. Okay, and also in Word, I just wanted you guys to know about the subsection making. Like last time we discussed on the subsection making. Let me show you the subsection making. When we do this heading and other thing, we can easily navigate through this. That is heading 1. If I click on heading 1, this comes. If I want heading 2, which I have modified as 1.1, this comes. Okay. If I go to modify and then fonts, here if I go to numbering, I can change whichever numbering I want. That will automatically change in the headings. This is the way we write in the Word. Last time also I discussed that if you put a table In Word, we will give captions to the table or a figure, automatic caption for the table or figure, so that we can easily rename update the fields whenever we need it. Same way we do the same thing for the figures also. Insert caption. We can just change the label to figures, and then we can start inserting figures title automatically. Okay. So this is about the word. About the topic and all, you can choose any topic. So this class is mostly on how you should write the paper, because there is wide number of different people. We will not be discussing on what topic or which thing can be written for the papers. However, this is how the formatting usually is done. Okay. Any doubts till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now we'll go to the Overleaf format. All of you, I hope all of you have Overleaf. Um, okay. Is it possible, all of you, can you kindly log into Overleaf?
Ma'am, could you give the link?
Okay. Yes. Somebody has already given the Overleaf. All of you could log into that?
Ma'am, this link is not working. Is it for everyone or for only me?
It will work. You have to log in with your college ID. You can register with that, and then it will work.
Link is not opening.
Link is a common link, man. You just Google it.
Okay. I logged in through phone.
Okay. I hope all of you could log in. So Overleaf is one of the one of the type of LaTeX software where it is mainly used for formatting the whatever paper you want to write. You can easily format by using the simple codes. Okay. If you see how do you do it, simply make a new project, blank project, whichever you want to make. Just click on the new project, make a blank project. When you open it, you will get a simple left side code editor. Okay, here you can just type a code, then you will easily get the text written. If you see, I have made a simple code which I showed in the Word document. For that only, to make it in the to make it in the Overleaf, I could just write this code, and when I recompiled it, all the data came in. All the information which I have written for the paper without formatting anything, it directly came. Okay? All of you could log into Overleaf?
So ma'am, can you tell me like where to write this?
Yes,
Like
I will.
the form is open, but from where we have to start editing and in which part we should enter the text.
Okay. Um, Let me share you the document.
Ma'am, in Overlay, we need to use the institution email ID, or we can use one.
Institutional email ID because we have free access for the
Hmm.
institutional email ID.
Okay.
See, if you can't register, you can just sometimes it automatically registers. You can just type forget password and see if it is already there.
Okay.
So basic codes you will always get for each and every type of journal type. You can just find the LaTeX code from the journal website. Okay. Today I just posted in the classroom a simple code which is written. Okay, you can all just copy that. All of you could get that code.
What is that we have to do in this overleaf? We've logged in. We are waiting for the next steps.
Okay, so you can see this page in Overleaf. When you enter the
Yes, ma'am.
Overleaf, can you see this page?
Yes, yes.
One second,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Just make a new project.
So in the new project, we have to uh, go with the what options like with the blank project.
Yeah, please go with the blank project.
Do we have to give any specific name to the project?
You can just type technical communication, IEEE format paper.
So after creating that, we have to upload this code, which is available in Classroom.
Yes.
Okay.
So in create a new blank project, you can just name it anything, paper, create. Then the code which is available, you can just, or you can start writing yours also, but you can just type.
कहाँ कहाँ पे जाके?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm trying with my IIT email ID, but I'm not able to log in. It's showing login error, not registered.
Um, that login error comes usually because
That's why you need to first register. Then you need to try to log in.
No. You
Mhm.
retry it. I think it happened for me also. I was able to log in now.
Hey bro, try to log in with
Refresh it
Google.
and try again.
Try to
That's
log in
okay.
with Google. After that, we can go out of phone.
Or you can just, if it's already logged in, you can just try to type forgot password, and it will let you know if you have the login or not.
Okay, ma'am. Let me check.
Okay, so you can just make a new project with any name, then create, then you can start. You can just copy paste the code which I have kept in the Google Classroom.
And so by default, there is some lines of code there. So do we need to replace all those?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So that code is what I have written for the paper. Okay?
Ma'am, where is the code? Classroom?
There's a document in the classroom that is
Oh,
posted.
code.html.
Example of LaTeX code for assignment.
Okay, okay.
That complete, I think you have to replace it there.
You replace that and then recompile. You'll get this. So if you see document class, all of you could do this.
Not yet, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, did it.
Okay.
After pasting the code, do we need to click on the recompile?
Yes, yes. Here there's right side, there's a thing called as recompile. You just click on the recompile, you'll get this paper format. So the next thing you'll be doing, the persons who could get the code, see, it's a simple code. If you see document class use package beginning the document, then you can see title. So it says what title which I wanted to give. However, I would like you to write a title of your own and a simple abstract of even just 5 lines, introduction about it, a small topic which you can imagine and write by yourself. So that what is abstract, what is introduction, how to insert other things, you'll get to know. If everyone has taken the code and they could recompile it, I will go by step.
Ma'am, we just pasted the code, right? After that, we have to fill.
You just need to press this recompile. You
Where is
could
it?
do that.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay.
All of you, after pasting the code,
Yes.
kindly do the recompile. After that, if you see on the seventh row, okay, seventh line, you can see title as a what the title is. But I want you guys to write your own title, your own any small topic, anything, a title which you would like to work on, and in your own words.
So we have to update title, abstract, and
Everything. This is a simple code, but you have to update your name, your affiliation, and who can be your second author. So if you can just recompile it and see that how the name changes everything. I just changed the name. Okay. This assignment is about writing a draft paper which you can think of any topic. Okay. All of you could compile the code.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the assignment will be the same thing with your own words, that's all. Okay, then see if I say about any, if you see in the sixth line, there's a begin document. After that, you have to give title name. Then you change your who will be the author, what will be the author's affiliation, and all. You can just write two authors and then abstract. As I was saying from the beginning, abstract must be the trailer of what this paper will be. Simple, even 4-5 lines of abstract is totally fine. And then a small introduction, methodology. In that, I want you guys to make a subsection. The whole point of this assignment is making a subsection, knowing the formatting and how you can insert a figure and a table. Okay? So, if you all of you have done the compiling, I would like to show you how to insert a picture and a table.
So, ma'am, there are some errors which is fine, right?
It's fine.
It will not impact the formatting, right?
No, nothing for impacts. See, if there is a huge errors, that paper won't be visible.
Okay, okay.
So, how to upload the image? You just upload. Can you see here? 3 symbols, new folder, new file. Here there's a upload option. Here you can select any picture of your own thing, and then simply while you are writing the code for the picture, which is already given, okay, you can just go there and try to insert the picture. Okay.
Ma'am,
Same.
can you show the step again, once again, from the start?
Yes, yes. Shashi, I couldn't get your doubt.
Ma'am, I'm saying, can you repeat this step to insert the picture?
Yeah, okay. Figure, if you can just see here, below this menu option, you can see new file, new folder, and upload. Here I can go, I can upload any kind of image I want to. Okay, the image got uploaded here. Above the main text, can you see image has come here? Okay.
Yeah.
Then in the code here, which is given already, how much should be the width of the image and all. If I can just go here and change the image, if I remove the existing image name, then it's giving me an option directly. All of you can see here, because I uploaded the image JPG here, when I'm trying to include graphics, that's the line of code. When I'm saying that in center line include a graphics of width of 3.4 inches, then I just remove the existing image. I'm getting the image option insert. Okay. After that, I'll recompile again. Then I got my image here. Clear? All of you, please try to do this step.
Okay, ma'am.
So, ma'am, we don't have to put it under any folder.
No, nothing. You just upload the image here, it will directly come in your project. How many ever images you want, it will directly come here.
Able to get it.
Yes. So if all of you are done with the image, I can go to the table option. Is it done? Okay. So table and equation, you guys have to write. Okay. Table and equation before, I think, before ChatGPT era and AI era, when we did our thesis and all, where our thesis was supposed to submit both in LaTeX and Word. So that time we used to manually write each and every line, but now I feel that it's much easier now. So if you see this here, begin equation is the line code, and then whichever equation you want, whatever type of equation you want, you can just type that how to be written. Okay, so P subscript M naught equals to alpha, and then simply into sigma plus beta, that's the my label. Okay, then that should be linear, that I have written, and then the end equation, that is one type of writing a equation code. Similar way you can do the table. So begin table where it should be centering, and caption, what is the caption of the table, and then begin tabular column, which should be of how many rows. Okay, how many centimeters, how many columns. Yeah, Suresh.
Ma'am, could you repeat how the labels help?
How the?
Labels, purpose of labels, ma'am.
Okay. Labels. Did I? You meant captions?
In line 46, you mentioned linear as label, right?
Okay. Equation. Okay. In equation, when we say label, means like, see, many times when we'll have a double line equations, right? So this label indicates the equation type. And whichever type of equation you want, you can just type in normal Google search also. Nowadays, we can easily get the LaTeX code for that. Because our equation is linear, you can see here in the right side, you can see here in the compile stage, it is in linear equation. Okay, that's what this label indicates.
So, ma'am, we cannot copy paste it and then put it here.
Which one? Equation.
Yeah, this level, do we really need to?
No, no, in LaTeX, everything has to be written in the code.
I mean, again, what is the advantage there? I mean, is this something that we can change easily, or what is?
See, some people find latex very much nice because it has the formatting style very nicely. Like some people like it the way it is written and the way it is structured very much. Structurally, it is very good too.
Correct, correct. No, that we get it, but it's an alternate, right? We can also write it simply just a text, right?
Yeah,
Can you
you
not do
can
that?
always write in MS Word. See, till now, we also, all the researchers, I think we still prefer MS Word because there we can easily write and visualize both together. Here you have to write the code and visualization is differently made in the different thing.
No, ma'am, what I'm saying is that we'll be using this overlay, but those
Hmm?
equations, I can keep some of this like labels, I can skip and I can just, I know, as a text, I can put it, right? It will come similarly. Like the visual will not change, right? Or it will always be changed. I mean, can I not write something instead of these equations, for example? If I just do a plain text, for example, you have that before the subsections, right? You have written something. But after that, if I give it some space, like I will treat it as the MS Word, will it not work?
It will work. The code, you are talking
Give a
about the
space.
code.
Yeah. I'm saying that some of the tags, if we don't use it, for example, 45, 46, 47 line numbers, if I want to skip that, there's the equations, right? That equations is reflected on the
Yeah,
right
yeah,
side.
it will work. You are saying I'll just.
Yeah. I just remove it and I can write something, right? And it will come the same format,
Yeah,
right?
equation will be gone. That's all. You can see here, the equation is gone. That's all.
Now I can type the equations on my like just like a text, right? And it can come instead of level, like the way it is,
No,
It
you
was?
should write the equation, right? You should say the equation beginning and all, right? Begin the equation and begin this thing.
Okay. So those all this lambda and all everything pi, it will not come, right? If you're saying if it is a
No,
text,
no. See, the above subsection is text.
correct.
Okay.
Only the
It will
characters.
directly come. Whereas equation, when I am typing, it will come as equation.
Okay.
Ma'am, one thing I want to clear. Okay, so this is that you are asking us to do on the class, right? And it's you are considering this as an assignment, right? Okay, so you are showing we are doing, and after that you will be probably asking us to submit, right? So
Yes.
there are many students, right? So they are in office and they are not able to kind of do this right now. They are listening but not able to do, right? For that probably I think you will be giving some, I mean, a good amount of time to submit the assignment, right? It is not the class, within the class, right?
No. I am. There's a week time to submit this assignment.
Okay, fine.
Okay, and here again, if somebody sees this video, I think they can just simply copy the code,
Yeah, yeah,
try
understood,
to
understood.
paste it, and just type something which we want
Correct.
is some written paper from you people, not
Yeah, yeah,
like
thank you. Yeah, yeah, thank you.
we just want
Yeah.
to know did you get the abstract formatting and
Correct, correct.
how the
Yeah.
font is changing for each and
Mm-hmm.
every headings.
Right, right. Okay, sure, understood.
So it can be submitted by next Sunday, ma'am.
Yes, I will give it till
Yeah,
next
that's what
Sunday.
ma'am is saying.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, please continue.
Thank you, ma'am.
So here you don't need to change much of the formatting. Only thing is that just try to write and type it so that you will get the feel of the how it's done. And after you recompile, you have to download it as a PDF. And this PDF you just need to upload it as an assignment.
How do we change the font styles and sizes?
So this is IEEE format. Okay, that's why it has taken that. If you want to change the formatting, you can just change the type of format and you can take the code of it. Okay.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
I think. Sorry. So I think,
Okay, I
ma'am.
can just show you these simple things. Um, if you see here, I just made a title one. Okay, here when I didn't put the IEEE format and all. If I can just give the document class. What is that? That 12 PPT A4 paper article I am writing. And then user package setting up line, how much percentage for line spacing, graphics, how much it is needed. All that if you can type individually also, it's fine. But usually journal type codes will be available. You can just copy the code and start writing what you want in their format.
Okay, so where do I give the values for the set space, graphics, and all that?
Percentage space, this one, right?
Yeah, the value for that, yes. Yeah. What percentage?
So this is the percentage space I have given for per space. Like that, if you want, you can change whatever you want to add it. So
So the number
I
of spaces
am,
is the value. I think you have
yes,
five,
I
six.
am not much into coding and all. I'm just using this as a tool. And I know that
No, I
the
understand. So if I have to give my own, if I want to make one text bold or change font for one small text somewhere, how do
okay.
I do
So here, if you can see, I have given 6 pp as the size. If I want, I can make it 8 pt and recompile it. So it changed.
Okay, this is
Okay, whenever we want the sizes, we can give that here in the brackets. What is the type? Times New Roman is the type which I have selected. And all this coding type is available online.
okay. This is very similar to CSS. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I think you guys are much experts than me in that. So same way we get the simple code for table also, where it begins, how much it has to be there, and then you can start writing your parameters, which is there for the table format. We have a huge document which gives us different types of entering which is required also. See, without even if you just open the blank document also, it will have a default document size also. Okay. So you will write the introduction and then you'll write a section and subsection. I'll just post the assignment which we usually take so that you guys will get a clarity about what I'm asking. Then we can discuss on the doubt part of that.
Ma'am, so do it's compulsory to use every feature in this code, like the formula and all in the assignment?
Yeah, the assignment is simply writing two-page. Yes, LaTeX, because we gave the IEEE format, you can just use it and give the paper writing.
The question was like in your sample code, there is some feature like to how to insert a equation and all. So do we need to like use each and every what can I say feature for the assignment, or it's good to only write the like abstract and the subsection? Because whatever topic we are choosing, it's not necessary that we have the equation and all thing there. That's why.
So one of the thing which we follow every time is that we want the students to understand how to put a equation and uh, how to put a table and a figure. So if we see,
Okay.
we just ask for a title, then at least two authors, how to give that, and a small introduction, and at least one subsection, one figure, one table, and one equation, and at least five references, which any of these formats you can follow.
Okay, so for that we need to choose the topic accordingly, which consists these all things.
Yes, so you can simply, I think simply you can take any topic, maybe you can simply add a equation. If the equation is not there, also you can try to make a small equation type of thing, like
We can take
relation.
any topic, right? Like any theoretical topic, like we
Yes,
are
yes.
right now having
No,
ML, so
I
they
think,
have.
Varsha,
we should-
focus is on writing it, right? It doesn't need to have a research done and all, right, ma'am?
Yes,
The
it's just that
so
it's good if you guys give us some research
yeah,
kind of
it should be
thing,
relevant,
but
but in case I think if it is not there, I think ma'am is asking to have those elements and then try to put something so that we know that how to use it, right, as a part of
yes, that's all. It's
that's
just
the
that
intent.
a hands-on, we get to know that, okay, you could at least open it, try
Correct.
to compile it, and you could do something in it.
So, ma'am,
Okay?
2 pages are fine for this, or how many pages?
It's 1 or 2 pages. All of you could see my assignment
Yeah.
created. You can just go to Google Classroom and in that classwork, paper writing.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not restricting it to be just one
Hello, ma'am.
So
lesson,
reference,
but
we can add it in the bottom directly, right? Or do we need to reference it to any BIB file and then pull it out?
Hello, ma'am. We need to submit the text file and PDF both.
no, only PDF. Upload the generated final PDF. Sorry, funny you are asking something.
Yeah, ma'am. So this reference is what you are asking to add in the end, right?
Mm.
So those can be directly added in the same.
Yeah, same code in the bottom. If you just begin reference and just add those. Those
Oh,
are the only thing which I didn't add in this so that you guys know how to at least write them.
yeah, yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you just write a begin reference and then you can put there and it will come automatically.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show that the reference? How do you add it?
Satya, that's little part which I'm leaving it to
Oh, okay. Okay.
students.
This is for our explorations. Okay.
Yes, yes. I mean, like I've given everything. It's just typing, changing. So
Okay. Okay.
references, I'm letting you guys at least explore yourselves then.
Okay. Sure.
Ma'am, you asked that at least 2 authors, but whoever is writing that author, for our case, it will be only one author, right? That is
You can
myself.
just add one more author. What is there? You can add anybody or any.
Shivankar,
Your
you can
name
add me.
twice also. Just want
Shivankar,
to.
you can add me or anybody. That's fine.
Then I would prefer to keep Chandra ma'am, not you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you
You
can
can add
add me as.
additional also. That is fine.
So you guys can add me as a second author, and you can just. We just. I just want you guys to have that hands-on. Simply try to open it and explore it types. Okay, just if you guys can give me another 2 minutes, I have one more tool to show, which is just a gist. So, how many of you know EndNote?
What is it? EndNote.
No idea.
EndNote.
It's that citation tool, right? Citation reference tool.
Yes. EndNote is a citation tool, okay, which is simply online EndNote is available for all the students. It is a simply nice tool which can allow you guys to do the citation automatically. Okay, so let me show you that. So this is how it looks like when you open the tool. Okay, it is called as EndNote. This allows you guys to search and keep a repository of references. Okay, EndNote, Mendeley, and Zep, Zayas. Some 2-3 tools are there. EndNote is the paid version, but we have access for online EndNote from IT Jodhpur, which you can use it. So Mendeley is a free software, but usually we have heard that Mendeley crashes a lot. Whereas EndNote being a paid one, it is more reliable. How does it work? It simply does an online search on any topic It's a simple tool. If you go to online search, any kind of topic you want to search, you can easily search.
We have to submit the assignment into the LaTeX only, or we have to do the, on this as well?
No, it's nothing. I'm just showing you a tool
Okay.
which is called as EndNote, which helps in getting automatic references and which will be directly can be used in the Word. Okay, so if you do an online search, we got so many papers for this. Web I typed, and for web I'm getting so many papers. So I can just click on it and then add to my library. So all my references had been added to the library. And what can I do in my Word? If I go, okay, in my Word document, and here if I go, EndNote 21 comes. If you download the software, it will directly come to Word also. If I insert and then I type whatever I searched there, I will get the reference. I can just insert the reference based on the type of referencing or type of website. These references will automatically take the style also here. If you can see style, okay, it's author APA 7 style it comes, and then in the end, whenever citation is done, all the references will come automatically here. Okay, this is one of the tool which is very helpful for the researchers who are doing a long research and who wants to compile all the papers and make a report, then they can easily
Ma'am,
copy.
you added that
Yeah.
as a part of your end note, right? And then how did it come into your Word document?
Yes, it's a extension tool of Word.
Oh,
When you
okay. You have
download
an
EndNote,
extension added. Okay.
So, ma'am, we can include this in the overleaf, ma'am.
yes, you can include in the Overleaf also. Okay, it can be easily included in the Word. It will directly, Overleaf online, you have to take it as an extension, whereas in Word, when you're downloading it to your system, it will directly ask that does it need to be compiled with MS Word? It will directly get compiled with MS. Okay, this is one of the referencing tool. Like that, many referencing tools are there, but EndNote is very helpful because it directly comes in Word, and you can easily insert the references and automatically change the referencing style.
Ma'am, can you show that how you include those references? I mean, in citation.
So you got this as a simple tool, right? It's just a simple app. You just simple software tool. You will go to online search, and anything you type here, let it say any kind of plastic or something, any topic you want to do, just type the title here. It will fetch uh, all the publication available in that topic. Okay.
Yeah, that we got it. Yeah.
Yeah, then you can add all this topic to your library. Okay, this is your library. After online search is made, you can just click on here, and then it will directly come to add. If you make, it will come to your library. So all got added here. Okay, this one you got it clear. Then in the Word, when I am installing this EndNote as a tool for the MS Word, it directly comes. Okay, once it's installed, like home button, insert button, EndNote button also will be here. Okay, here after EndNote comes in, with if I want to this like Okay, this is the structure phased embedded. I want to give a reference in here. After insights, I have to give a reference. Then I'll just go to insert citation. Then I will type plastic, which I just did, and find. Then all the papers on whatever got saved there, plastic jersey, it gets cited here. Okay. After this is text citing, since it's cited here in references at the bottom also, it will come.
Yeah, ma'am, this is for the Word document, but for Overleaf also we have to find out, right? That's what the exercise is.
Yes, Overleaf is the assignment for you people. You can find out, you can use EndNote, or you can just type it by yourself. I'm not asking that you guys need to attach EndNote to the Overleaf. No. I'm just
Okay.
saying that you can type also, no issues. This is one of the tools. Don't link this with the assignment.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, this is not for the assignment. This is not at all. It's just a tool I'm showing for the referencing. The citation part which we discussed for the H index and all, this is what citation and referencing. Okay. Any doubts?
Ma'am, the references we got in the end note, is there any option to download those references from there? Those papers?
Why do you want to download?
If you want to see the complete document.
Okay, in EndNote when you okay, I just in EndNote when you go and if it is openly available, you can add it as a PDF. But if the PDF is automatically not there, you have to attach it. It will not come as a PDF. Yeah, your question of okay, no, it will not come like that.
Okay, so we cannot download the papers from here. Like if you click on those or any option to download these papers.
No, that won't come. See here, attachment, then you have to search this and then you have to attach the PDF.
Okay, ma'am.
So, ma'am, these are all publicly available stuff, whatever is the citations that you have.
Yes, they are publicly available.
And this is all
It's
copyright, right?
just a search, like if you search in Google, no, it will fetch so many things.
But this is a copyright or something, so that if you're referencing it to that, something like
No,
that.
it's nothing
Nothing
like
like
that.
that.
Nothing like that. It's just a tool which is giving a easy citation access, that's all.
So it will give the
Usually we
access.
used to write it manually. Just imagine when we used to write it manually, cite in the text and write in the reference. Instead of that, these tools made our life little easier.
How to export this LaTeX content into PDF? That option I'm not seeing.
Okay, I'll just show you.
But beside that recompile, there's a
There's just download button, but I'll show you once because many people will get that out. So here recompile, then there is errors which is shown. Download PDF, you'll
Okay.
easily get.
Okay. I was searching
Others,
the left pen.
others may get out.
Ma'am,
Good that you
I have uploaded the image, but it is not visible in the PDF.
because that image has to be kept in the text also.
Okay.
Here, if you in the 34th line, just remove the whatever text there, then insert, click on your image,
Okay. Okay.
then recompile.
Okay.
Okay, 34th line you have to modify that. Okay, any doubts?
So, ma'am, this is IEEE papers, right? The format.
Yes,
So, is it the most widely acceptable format,
it is. I think. Yeah, it is.
or what are other format?
There's ACE. There is mm, based on the type of work we do. Like for civil engineers, we have different one, and for chemistry, we have ASC. So there are many different formats.
Oh, the content changes the format, right? I mean, it's depending upon the content. Something like that.
Based on the journal type and based on the publication, format changes.
Okay. So
American
technical.
Society of Civil Engineers will have different format who does not want the pictures to be embedded with the text. So their format will be like text will be first, then pictures and table comes.
So in technical, right, from us, right, we all of from the same background. So this is the best format for us.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay, sure.
Not this. This is a conference format. Otherwise, single page, same format can work.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubts?
No, ma'am, I think we're good. Thank you.
I hope. Okay. I'll be